Hi, I'm Joseph, one of the many horticulturists here at Armstrong Garden Centers, and today we're going to talk about how you can have a beautiful garden while using less water. Research shows that California's residents use up to 50% more water than they actually need to maintain a healthy and beautiful garden. Proper watering would not only conserve water, but help to improve the overall health of California's landscapes. Here are some tips on how to use less water but still have a beautiful garden. Water early. Set automatic sprinklers to run between 4 and 8 a.m. in the morning. This reduces evaporation and helps lessen the likelihood of water waste through wind interference. Watering early also lessens the likelihood of plant diseases developing from overwatering. Mulching. Place a 3 to 4 inch layer of mulch around your plants to help save hundreds of gallons per year. You can use wood-type mulch or rocks. Mulch prevents water evaporation and also helps weeds from growing. When mulching, mulch around the plant but not right up to the base of the plant. Repair and adjust sprinklers. Watch your sprinklers and adjust them as needed to prevent them from having overspray on patios, sidewalks, etc. Quick repairs and adjustments can help to save up to 500 gallons per year. Group plants together that have the same water needs. Group waterwise succulents with waterwise perennials like salvia or lavender and keep thirsty annuals together. An Armstrong horticulturalist can help you determine what plants to group together. Water deeper and less often. You can set your sprinklers to water every third day or at the frequency in which your city allows during the hot months. Water until just before you see runoff. This allows water to penetrate down where roots can continue to access it, promoting deeper root development. During periods of rain, turn automatic sprinklers off and let Mother Nature take care of it for you. Use trigger sprayers when hand watering. We recommend using a dram trigger sprayer or water wand while watering your garden, your pots. Also save water by using a broom or blower instead of a hose to clean off sidewalks and driveways. Minimize water loss in pots. It's important to use a rich organic soil to help optimize water retention in your pots. We recommend Dr. Earth Pot of Gold potting soil. It's organic and contains true biotic plus mycorrhizae, which ensures nutrients are broken down so the roots can easily use the nutrients, making plants more drought tolerant. Add soil polymers like Soil Moist to your soil. Polymers store water for plants' use as the soil dries out. Add compost. Adding compost to planting beds and pots will help reduce the amount of water needed. Clay soils that are amended with compost will help retain water and nutrients better. Use organic fertilizers. Organic fertilizers slowly release nutrients at a natural rate, meeting the plant's needs. With a slow, even feeding, there's no overabundance of green growth that synthetic fertilizers produce. Install a smart sprinkler controller. The latest technology can help reduce your water use and your water bill dramatically. These wireless smart controllers can activate the automatic sprinklers based on the needs of your garden. Some can even be controlled with an app on your phone. Save up to 40 gallons or more each day using a smart controller. Change watering times with the season. Adjust automatic sprinklers at least 3 times a year. The highest frequency of watering is between July to October, the lowest being between November and March, and then April to June is somewhere in between. Remember, you can have a beautiful, healthy garden while still using less water. Visit your local Armstrong Garden Centers and let our horticulture experts help you have a water-wise garden today.